Switching from Cricket Wireless to Mint Mobile starts with porting your number. This means transferring your existing phone number to your new Mint Mobile service. First, ensure your Cricket account is active and in good standing, without a balance over $50. Gather your Cricket account number, PIN, and the last four digits of your SSN or driver's license. You'll also need your phone's IMEI MEID, which you can find by dialing #06. Make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network. Sign up for Mint Mobile, selecting the Port In option. Provide your Cricket details during sign-up and wait for your new SIM card to arrive. Once it arrives, insert the SIM, activate it via the Mint Mobile app or website. Wait for the port to complete, which usually takes between 1 to 2 hours and up to 24 hours. Common issues can include incorrect PINs or incompatible prepaid plans. Mint Mobile launched a $15 per month plan in January 2025 with 10 gigabytes data, unlimited talk and text. The $5 activation fee is waived for the first month. AI-assisted port-in wizards reduce transfer times to under 24 hours. Once your number is ported, activating your Mint Mobile SIM gets you online. You'll need your new Mint Mobile SIM card and a Wi-Fi connection. Insert the SIM into your phone. Use the Mint Mobile app or website to scan the activation code or manually enter the details. Follow the prompts to set up your APN, access point name settings for data. Mint Mobile usually provides these configurations automatically. Test your calls, texts, and data to confirm activation. Activation is generally quick after SIM insertion, but the full service, including your ported number, becomes active only after the porting process finishes. Note that eSIM support was added in 2024 for compatible devices, eliminating the need for a physical SIM. Don't forget to back up your data before switching. Mint Mobile's customer satisfaction scores rose 12% in 2025, attributed to seamless switching experiences. Mint Mobile now offers nationwide 5G on T-Mobile's network, while Cricket benefits from AT&T's ongoing 5G Plus deployments. As of Q2 2025, Mint Mobile reported 95% 5G availability in major U.S. metros.